Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Emotions and Stories, the second story in our series Love. The story is called Love at the Mumbai Airport. It was a balmy evening at Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, and the airport was alive with a blend of sounds families saying goodbyes, hum of announcements, the shuffle of luggage wheels on polished floors. The air smelled faintly of chai, fresh pav bhaji, and the inevitable rush of people heading to and from their gates. Maya, a 26-year-old art curator with an expressive personality, was running late for a flight to Paris. Her black and white sari, styled with a leather jacket, made her stand out amidst the sea of travelers in casual clothes. She had an exhibition to oversee in Paris, an opportunity she had worked towards for years. But tonight, her heart was filled with nerves, not about the exhibition, but because she almost missed her flight. As she rushed towards the gate, juggling a phone, boarding pass, and handbag, she collided with a man holding a steaming cup of chai. The hot liquid splashed onto her bag, and Maya let out an embarrassment gasp. The white fabric of her sari now marked with a stubborn stain. I am so sorry, she exclaimed, immediately grabbing tissues from her purse, trying to clean up the mess. The man, a well dressed 30-year-old in a sharp business suit, smiled warmly, his eyes sparkling with a touch of mischief. His name was Arjun, and he had just returned from a work trip abroad. The stain on Maya's bag was more of an inconvenience than a catastrophe. But the way she flustered made him chuckle. No worries, he said in a soft, calming voice. At least it was my chai that spilled and not something more expensive. His tone was light and his smile was genuine. Maya couldn't help but laugh, despite the awkwardness of the situation. I think I have just made a terrible first impression, she quipped, still dabbing at her bag. Well, I'm not judging, he replied, gesturing to the sari. You look quite stylish, even when you're flustered. His compliment caught her off guard, and Maya's cheeks flushed. Their brief exchange, full of apologies and awkward laughter, could have ended right there. But fate had something else in store. Few minutes later, Arjun and Maya found themselves standing side by side in a long security check line. With no other option but to stand in silence or talk, they struck a casual conversation. Maya, being an artist, mentioned her exhibition in Paris. Arjun, a business consultant, revealed that he was flying back after completing a deal abroad. Their conversation flowed easily, the way strangers sometimes clicked. Maya told Arjun about her love for art, the countless hours she spent in museums, and the dream of curating global exhibitions. Arjun shared his story too, about working abroad for years and planning to return to India to start his own business. Despite coming from different walks of life, they discovered mutual interests. And what started as a casual small talk deepened into a more meaningful exchange. As their flight delayed announcements echoed in the background, Maya looked at her watch. She sighed, feeling a little less stressed than before. It's funny, isn't it, she said, how the smallest thing, like a spilling chai, can end up being the start of an interesting conversation? Arjun chuckled. I guess if I hadn't spilled my chai, I wouldn't have met you. Their smiles were now easy, natural, and tension from the earlier mishap had melted away. Maya laughed, realizing that they had been talking for almost an hour now. You know, she said, I have been to so many airports, but I've never had such an interesting conversation while waiting for a flight. Maya's flight was now boarding. As she stood up to head up to the gate, she felt a pang of reluctance. She had to leave, but the connection with Arjun lingered in the air. Before she could walk away, Arjun spoke again, this time with a playful tone. I hope you don't think I'm being forward, he said, but would you be open to staying in touch? I'd love to hear more about the exhibition and maybe grab a coffee when you're back. Maya's heart fluttered and she smiled. Sure thing, she said, handling a small slip of paper with the contact details. Arjun grinned. Maybe when you are not running to Paris. With a final wave, Maya turned and walked towards her gate. But she looked over her shoulder one last time. She saw Arjun watching her with a slight smile on his lips. She waved back, her heart racing. There was something about the way he looked at her, something deeper than more coincidence. The months passed by, but Maya and Arjun stayed in touch. They texted regularly, exchanged long emails, and talked over the phone about their dreams, their lives, and how they both longed for new beginnings. Maya's exhibition in Paris was a success, and Arjun's business idea slowly began to take shape. What had started as a chance meeting at an airport had evolved into something meaningful. Despite the distance, they continued to connect in ways that went beyond digital screens. There were moments when the conversations turned into late night talks, where they would talk for hours about everything from mundane to the philosophical. Maya sent Arjun pictures of her exhibitions, while Arjun shared the progress of his business ventures. It was clear to both that what they shared was something special. A year later, Maya returned to Mumbai after a successful second exhibition. As she walked through the airport, she couldn't help but think about the fateful day when she bumped into Arjun. The memories of their first meeting were still fresh in her mind. Just then, she spotted him across the terminal, his familiar face standing out in the crowd. Arjun had come to pick her up. Their eyes met. There was a quiet recognition, a certainty in the way they smiled at each other. No words were needed. This time, there was no rush, no airport hustle, no need for fleeting goodbyes. Maya and Arjun had travelled far, physically, emotionally, and mentally, and the love that had blossomed unexpectedly at Mumbai airport had now found its true home. They walked towards each other, hands reaching out, knowing that this was the only beginning of a new chapter, a love story that had started in the most unlikely places. Please do let us know how did you like the story in your comments. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.